How to change your birthday on Snapchat after limit. Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to change your birthday on Snapchat after limit. In order to change your birthday on Snapchat after limit, first thing first, log in into your Instagram account. So first of all, let me show you what you can actually do in order to change your birthday. So for that, you need to go to your Bitmoji from the top left hand side. Once you do that, tap the gear icon from the top right, and here you'll be able to see birthday. So once you've made changes with your date of birth, you'll not be able to do it multiple times. You can only choose to change your birthday a limited number of times. So just tap the birth date, and after that you can just go ahead and select the date of birth that you wish to change it with, and tap the continue button and click on the OK button. So once you've done that, as you can see that the birth date has been changed, which means that I've not completed the limits. But if you've already completed the limits, then what you need to do is you need to simply go to your chat page, and you'll be able to see my AI feature. So my AI feature is actually a chatbot for Snapchat. So basically what you can do is you can just go ahead and type in how to change your date of birth after limit, and this is going to help you with the information or the guide. So this is gonna show you the information. So that's basically how you can change your date of birth on Snapchat after limit. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.